These are the viral muscle stimulating shorts by INIA. As you can see, these definitely work your glutes. They stimulate your glutes and your pelvic floor. This is the glute and pelvic floor options. You're gonna have a set of electrodes for your glutes and a set of electrodes for your pelvic floor and inner thighs. To use them, you're gonna spray the electrodes down with water. Just make sure there's a good even mist on all of the electrodes. If you're unsure on sizing, size down. I'm wearing the size F. I'm normally a size 10 in pants. These definitely work your glutes. If you see your size in stock, I wouldn't wait. These do sell out and sometimes they can take a while to restock. I'm going to drop these in the cart so you can see if your size is in stock. If not, just save this video for later and hopefully they restock again soon.